Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Striving to become fully off the grid and self-sufficient on a budget. It's a long path on a budget, but we're getting there, more and more every day. Today I want to talk to you about a question, a very valid question somebody has asked about what happened to the land I was working on, and I just want to answer that because it's been a whirlwind of a summer. So I spent 4 months working out, helping somebody clean up his property. Long story and not my story to tell, but somebody was using it as a dumping ground, made a mess of it, and then the township got involved, and I dedicated 4 months to cleaning up the property. No pay, just friendship. And he was going to teach me to run the mill. And throughout these months, I've been making payments on some equipment. I hope to show you these things soon. I've got a 1936 Sears Roebuck circular sawmill, big blade, made by Foley Bell Saw. 1936. It's a 44-foot long sawmill that'll cut a 22-foot log into lumber, he says with the right power unit, in 3 minutes. Pretty impressive. So along with that, I got a Ford 8N tractor that I got to get fixed, and I'm going to take you with me when I do it. We were ill for 2 weeks, so we lost 2 weeks of our lives here waiting to get stronger again. So now we can start getting back to work. Anyway, unfortunately, after spending all this time helping to clean up the property, getting ready for business, getting things established, and I mean, we did a lot out there. You saw some of the work demolishing a mobile home that was dumped, and some of which I recycled and have used some of the materials from. But he's put everything on hold until after the elections. Now, I don't want to get into any discussion about elections or politics or whatever, and at least not on this channel. I will be discussing that a little bit on my tactical channel, TR Tech Tactical and Survival. And everything I do is on DIYTube, DIYTube.video, and you can check it out over there. Everything I do is on DIYTube. I'm starting up all my videos again on all my channels, and I'm going to start talking about the current affairs and what's going on and how it affects people and how they should become prepared for the future over on my tactical channel. Again, I'm not really going to get political, but I'm just going to talk about preparedness and survival and, you know, that type of thing. But the problem is that a lot of people are worried about what's coming, and they're putting things on hold until after the elections. And that's what happened. It wasn't my call. We're staying right here, and whatever comes. We've got a lot invested into this land, a lot of time and labor and sweat and blood invested in this land. I really don't feel like leaving this place anytime soon, no matter what happens, either way. But, you know, other people are thinking about possibly bailing. I heard that immigration to Canada and search for immigration into Canada is through the roof. People are thinking about going up north. People are looking for properties. And a lot of other topics I really want to discuss on my tactical video, so do check that out. But, you know, I've got a family to take care of and bills to pay and a homestead to watch over, and I can't sit around and wait, because the elections are in November, and then it's going to take time to count. It could be till January till they sort out who won what, and I just can't sit around and wait. So I'm back in the homestead, full blast. The sawmill is on hold for now. I'm probably going to bring it here and run it here. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided exactly. I do have my millwright chainsaw mill over there, which is a stationary chainsaw mill. Something bit me just now. Anyway, I will be running that here pretty soon, and hopefully I'll get the forklift over here to start loading stuff onto the mill easier. I really that's some heavy stuff, and I do want to start running that chainsaw mill and processing some lumber, and I will be recording all that. But anyway, the over at the land is all on hold. Chris is still around, but we don't see him much, and he's never once even seen the property here. He hasn't been strong enough to make it out here, and even it's sad he hasn't even toured the property that he's seen on the videos all these years. He just hasn't had the strength to do it, and so I mean he's been here at the driveway a few times visiting, but he's never made it to actually see everything. It's sad, but it is what it is. So, but he's still holding on, and that's it. I mean, so I'm back to homesteading full time until after the elections, and what happens with the land is up in the air, 100% absolutely up in the air, and all that is on hold. He doesn't even know if he's going to be around anymore, the guy I was working with. So that's it. Here we are, back to the homestead full time. Daily videos, as much as I can. I'm going to do daily videos, but I am doing a lot behind the scenes these days. I don't show everything anymore. I've learned to be careful. Just because, well, I don't want to get into that topic, but anyway, I've just learned to not show everything we do and talk about everything we do. For example, we sold our car a while back. It's gone. But I can't ever discuss such things until afterwards, so they don't get ruined on me. So we got the yellow car and the truck, and that's it. Well, I got the white truck. I still plan on getting fixed, but somebody was going to come out and help, but that was also delayed. Things happen. So I hope that clears it up. I'm speaking as I go. I don't script anything. I don't pre-plan it. So it is what it is. And I'm going to start working on solar panels here pretty soon, I hope. We've got a lot of those panels that were defective and needed repairs. I hope start digging into them. I hope. But there's a lot going on right now. And we're still hauling and processing firewood. That's important. That's top priority right now. And I can only show so much firewood processing every day before you get sick of it and turn on the TV or something else. So, whatever. Today's near, I don't know what, 65 I think? 66. It feels like summer. I'm enjoying it. So, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We are back to the homestead full time. Please like, subscribe, and share. And follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully off the grid and self-sufficient on a budget. Talk to you later.